Hello, this is La Fortuna Divina, and I'm going to do an unboxing kind of first impression on the Radiant Wise Spirit Tarot. I have quite a few tarots, and especially the Rider Waite tarot decks. So let me open the box and see if I can open it because I am new to tarot, new to YouTube, and I always watch unboxings, and I always see people struggling, and I didn't understand, but I totally understand now. Because when you're on camera, it's so much harder than when you're just taking it off and nobody's watching. Or unboxing it. Okay, so there's the cute little two-part box it looks like. Yay! Look at that. Isn't that? Oh, I like that box already. So just take the top off. It's the Radiant Wise Spirit Tarot by, let's see, it says on the bottom, Radiant Wise Spirit Tarot Lo Scarabeo Torino. And let's look at it. Look at the little book. I'm already liking the little book. There's a little, some spreads in there. And it looks like there's different languages in there. I see Italian and La Fuerza. So is that Spanish or is that Italian? Copas. Yeah, that's Spanish. So we have different languages in there. And looks like we have some tarot spreads in there. And how to read. So a little information. And great little book. Let's look at the cards. There we go. So regular size. Looks like a regular standard size tarot deck. So let me see if I can get this off without clipping a corner of the cards. Okay. We have, oh my gosh, look at that. So let me move that over so you can see what I'm seeing. Look at that. You've got, for news and information, follow the Escarbeo Tarot. So that's the first card there. Look at that. Look at these. They're they're glossy, but look at that. Love the backings on this. The cardstock, I don't know. A little thin, but not bad. Look at but no border. Love that. So let's look. Let's have a look. That's the King of Swords. Starting off with the King of Swords. Or should I start off? No, I'm not going to start off there. I'm going to start off here. There we go. Title page. There we had it backwards. The Tarot card. Look at that. The Fool. Love this. I really am glad I got this one. I think I saw this on the Hermit's Cave too. Hey, Hermit, you're gonna have, the Hermit Cave is gonna have to, I'm not gonna have to look at his channel anymore. I bought like 10 decks this month. Not okay. And I don't spend my money on much, so I guess that was, if I want to buy something for myself, I can, right? The Magician. Look at that. They're a little glossy, so they stick at first. I noticed the High Princess. Look at the detail and the color. There's that moon down there at her foot. Look at the Empress. Beautiful. So much detail, and with no borders, you get so much more. The only border it has is at the very bottom, where with the name, the Emperor. Look at that Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. Look at that. The Chariot. Look at the detail on that card. The Strength. Love the Strength. Hermit. One of my favorite cards. In all decks, I love the Hermit for some reason. I think I identify with the Hermit. And the Wheel of Fortune is my card. That's where I got La Fortuna, which is the Fortune, which is my card. Divina, Divine Fortune. I was gonna look for a name. My daughter says she likes Divina, so let me know what you think. I was gonna ask you guys for your opinion. I wanted La Fortuna to be part of the channel name, and it ended up being, because I needed to make a email to go with it, I had to put, that was taken, so I had to put another name with it, so I put Divina, which is Divine Fortune. That was the Justice card. Look at the Hangman. The Hangman. The Death card. Look at the Death card. You know, it took me a while to like the Death card. Once I understood that it's like new beginnings, something ending and something beginning, I really like the Death card now. It's not so scary. The Temperance with the water, both bases are cups. Like that one foot's in the water, one's out. Look at the Devil card. The Devil. The Tower. Love the Tower card. Look at that detail. Look at the star. Just these are so vibrant, and love the backs. Love the art. I'm so glad I got this deck. The Moon. I think I'm gonna have to work with this one too. I explored it a little bit more of the Sun.